Are you looking for the best automatic gate openers in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best automatic gate openers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Aleko AC11400 nor sliding gate opener basic kit. For those who live in the wilderness or need a gate opener that can handle heavy-duty use, the aluminum alloy Aleko chain-driven sliding gate opener might be the right pick. It uses a socially designed 20-foot gate chain drive for opening and closing, supporting gates of up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet long. This opener can operate with more than 100 programmable remote codes with a wide distance range. With its touch construction, this opener is resistant to corrosion and the elements while remaining lightweight and easy to install. This gate will stop automatically if there is an object or obstruction to prevent any unwanted damage, and comes with automated vacuum cleaners that wipe the sliding gate panels clean of dust and debris. This model also includes a AC110V motor, 2 remote controls, and a user guide. Up next in the 4th place is the Topens PW502 dual swing gate opener. Spending a lot of money on heavy-duty gate openers for smaller lightweight gates is overkill. This set of 2 gate openers is well suited to lighter duties. Each arm can handle a swing gate up to 16 feet long with a maximum weight of 550 pounds. This gate is also a good option for do-it-yourselfers with a kit that includes multiple brackets for installation on various gate types, ranging from wood to steel and vinyl in panel, tube, and chain link shapes. This versatile gate will also open inward or outward and offers several options for power. It includes a power supply that plugs into a standard outlet and works with a 12-amp battery and solar panel. Other features include a sensor that stops the gate if it encounters an obstruction, and an adjustable auto-close feature with a range of 3 to 120 seconds. The 3rd product on our list is the Ghost Controls Solar Heavy-Duty Dual Gate Opener Kit. With its ability to open 2 gate panels without the need for wiring, this automatic swing gate opener is a worthy option for residential homes or rural farms. This setup includes 2 separate control arms, each of which can handle gates up to 12 feet long for a total of 24 feet. Weight capacity varies depending on the gate's length, from 300 pounds for a 20-foot gate to 900 pounds for a 5-foot long gate. Ghost designs its gate openers for DIY installation. This one runs off of a 12V battery charged by a 10-watt solar panel, so there is no complicated wiring involved, and universal brackets make attaching the controls to the gate easy. This model includes 2 2-button remote controls that can open one gate panel or both gate panels simultaneously. Second on our list is the Cozy Heavy-Duty Sliding Gate Opener. With its ability to handle long fences and a high weight capacity, this automatic sliding gate opener can carry big loads without asking for a significant investment. This affordable model will open a 40-foot wide gate weighing up to 1,400 pounds, making it suitable for commercial use. A powerful 280-watt motor smoothly opens the fence at a pace of 42 feet per minute. Once open, the user can set this sliding gate opener to close after 12, 24, or 36 seconds to maintain security. It comes with 2 keychain remote controls, which have a range of 100 feet. This system will support up to 25 remotes, making it ideal for businesses and small communities. This gate runs off of 110V power and must be hardwired. Finally, the top product on our list is the mighty Mule MM371W Smart Gate Opener. With smart technology that allows the user to operate it via a smartphone app and ample weight capacity that makes it usable for most home applications. This automatic gate opener is one of the best on the market. These days, most home security ties into smart devices. It makes sense that an automated gate should tie in too. Mighty Mule's model works with the Mighty Mule app, which uses Bluetooth technology to control the gate up to a 1/2 mile away. When it's coupled with a camera, the user can see who is at the gate and open it from a smartphone. In addition to smart controls, this swing gate opener includes a small remote that operates the gate. It is also compatible with keypads and other types of remotes, which are sold separately. The Mighty Mule can handle gates weighing up to 550 pounds up to 16 feet long and is wireless, using a 12V battery and an optional solar panel charger for power. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.